Hey y'all, it's your girl Faye. Welcome back to my channel. Today you're gonna watch me install this wig. Before we get started, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please comment them below. Yeah, like up there with the curls. You see what I'm doing? Are you feeling the vision? So I'm trying. Okay. I think it just needs to be higher though. I think I need to redo it like higher. I think I'm gonna just repack. Thank you. I'm just gonna do it one more time. I think it needs to be tighter. Okay, that's what's so interesting. I didn't expect it to come to life. One more time. Let's see. Okay. Ah! And that's it. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Please let me know what you think by commenting below. I will leave all the hair details in the description box below. This is my first time trying this style, but it's definitely one of my favorites by far. This is the back, but let's just focus on the front. Let me know what style I should try next. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Love y'all. Bye.